this time I'm going to a car wash to wash out my bike. It's quite far away from my place, about 6 kilometers. The reason why I'm going to this car wash is because they have a motorcycle dedicated washing space. You'll get to see in a moment, but they have separate booths for motorcycles from the southern part of Seoul to the northern part, because this river, Han River, this separates Seoul. As you can see, not a lot of traffic really. Everyone's gone away for the Lunar New Year, so Seoul is empty almost. Here is the car wash. Oh, so this is the entrance, it looks like. And this place is quite unique. As you can see, it's an indoor car wash. And over on this side, have motorcycle dedicated washing booths. Might as well go in here. Okay, it's rusting up here. See all these little rusts? It's because I've been riding in snow. Yeah, I haven't washed the bike ever since I bought it, so you can't pay directly with a credit card or cash. You have to top up this card dedicated for this car wash place. To use the phone, you have to pay extra money, but on Mondays and Thursdays, it's free of charge. Why not today? The base price is 3,000 won. And every single time I touch my card onto the pad, they're going to charge me 1,500 won each. Once, twice, go. Okay, off you go. And I'm going to cover it with the foam. So again, 1,300 won per touch, and the base price is 2,600, so I'll need to touch it twice to make it run. Once, twice. Ooh. 20. Alright, 5, 4. Rinse it all off. Now, the front part. Yep. Looking good. Looks like it can go out this way by pressing this button. And let's go.